Use this once every 2 weeks. Your hair will never stop growing. Grow long and thick hair faster. This is a protein max and it's a hair growth cappuccino remake.
Maybe you never knew. You could be that someone who's been treating you better, and there's always something that you could lose. But baby, you could be the one that's leaving you never. And the truth is you got all this love inside of you. Don't worry about someone else's views. When they see how you carry on through, they'll carry on too. Yeah, don't forget.
For the ingredients, you're using rice paste. Rice paste is amazing. Rice contains amino acid, vitamin B, vitamin E, a lot of minerals, and it has antioxidants which are excellent for your hair. There are so many benefits when using rice for your hair. It's going to detangle your hair, and I'm going to throw in more benefits as I keep on. But next ingredient here we have okra. Okra is amazing. It has these fibers and protein that gives slime that's going to leave your hair really soft. Lastly but not least, this is our DIY coffee oil, and this oil is amazing. It's going to leave shine to your hair. There's so many things about coffee. I'm going to dedicate a whole video on just how to make and use coffee, different ways of using coffee, just for you to understand, because coffee is capable of leaving your hair super soft. It's going to detangle unmanaged hair. It's going to detoxify your scalp. It can be used as a natural dye for gray hair. It's going to boost blood circulation. Coffee is a whole package. Coffee adds vibrance to your natural color, guys. I love coffee, and I'm going to show you a video after this. I want to encourage you to subscribe, and if you're liking this video, please go. If you're loving this video, go ahead and like this video. Comment down below. Leave me emojis if you have nothing to say, or just go ahead and do something in the comment section, okay? Yeah, but this coffee, game changer. How to make this hair growth cappuccino upgraded. We're adding in okra into our big mixing bowl. Okra, guys, okra is a lot of stuff. Okra is amazing for the hair. Okra is everything. It has sleep, which you need to detangle your hair, so it's going to leave your hair shiny. Okra adds treats dandruff, and of course it's going to condition your scalp. We are also adding in the paste of the rice. I'm going to leave a video up on the cards and down in the description box for you to see a dedicated video on how to make this paste, so you make a right batch every time. So I'm adding a decent amount. Mixing the rice paste really well so it mixes perfectly with okra. At this point, you're going to control your consistency. If you're a person who prefers thick, you can leave it the way it is, but if you prefer lightweight and more watery consistency, or just go ahead and add in water. Rice is excellent. It's going to leave your hair really smooth. It's going to increase shine to your hair. It's going to make your hair grow out long and healthy. It's going to make your hair strand strong, so you're going to prevent hair loss. And of course, most people say they're low porosity, so they don't like protein, but this protein is the minimum protein that your hair can handle, and at least use it every 2 weeks. You're going to experience drastic change with continually use of this. Application time, guys. You already know how to apply a deep conditioner. Deep conditioning is important for your natural hair. This is the time when your hair eats actual food, because your hair needs food for it to grow healthy. So you need to take this process seriously. If there's one thing you can do for your hair, is to deep condition. You might be lazy natural, might be lazy person to take care of anything, but just do this one thing. Deep condition your hair. You see my hair over there, that scalp is not clean. For some reason my hair prefers deep condition then washing after, and my hair is going to feel super soft. Comment down below if you agree with me. You see the results on camera. Oh my god. This combo is amazing. This combo is wonderful, is fantastic. Your hair is going to love it. These DIYs are high-end renovated, so be sure to try some of this. And with these DIYs, guys, your hair is going to get enough amount of products that needs, because you know when you're buying a drugstore deep conditioner, you think of the budget when you want it to last longer, but when you're making your own DIYs, you really go all the way in with the application of this. So after you're finished applying, detangling everything, let me show you how you can use your excess DIY deep conditioners for your hair. Just add more to your hair. You see, your hair loves it. Add more. I'm going to leave a dedicated playlist on these recipes here on the screen, so be sure to tap the screen. And of course, I'm going to see you on that video. Until next time, be sure to follow me on all my social media accounts that are down in the description box. Like and subscribe if you haven't, and share this with your loved one, and I'm going to see you on the screen. Bye.